Moving on to the third major way of formatting strings, f-strings. F-strings was released in Python 3.6 and it sort of streamlined the way that we format strings now. So when should we use f-strings? As I mentioned, Python 3.6 and later versions support f-strings, and when it's not a string generated by a user of your program. Let's hop back into the scenario. Once again, we have the two variables, Erno and name, that we would like to format into a single string. With f-strings, you just need to prefix the string with the letter F and embed the expressions you want within curly brackets. That looks like this. Follow along with me. That's it. And give him an exclamation point because we're happy to see Bob. Hello, Bob. This method of formatting also allows you to embed arithmetic into your strings. Give this example a try. We're going to give it two variables, a and b. A equals 5, b equals 10, and we're going to set up our f string. 5 plus 10 is a plus b, and not 2 times a plus b. Close that off and print this out. 5 plus 10 is 15 and not 30. F-strings also support the formatting or selection of output, so give that a try with me. And when it's time to select hexadecimal, we're going to do colon pound x. Hey Bob, there's a bad coffee error. So you can see here how f-strings kind of streamline and make string formatting just a little bit simpler. Less characters to type, and it's quicker to set up where you want to substitute your variables.